Vacation starts today. Cheers. Road trip has started. It's about 5 hours. We got some pit stops.
On the bus, don't need it, it's just mine. My heart is schoolyard.
You guys took a while, or her took a while to order?
I ordered first. I don't know what you talking about, mister.
And you ordered last time.
Yeah, because I had to order all the extra the stuff to go.
Pork sandwich with pickle.
Pork plate, baked beans, banana pudding. Wild pudding and banana pudding.
I got pork sandwich and the sweet potato crunch.
Oh, I forgot about the sweet potato crunch. Is it on
Good.
there? Very good.
Mm-hmm.
How is it, Benjamin? Do you have the queue yet?
You guys are a hard crew to work with.
The AI answer to my question was the best song to sing in a car for a family of 5, Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen.
See, we're supposed to select parts, and then, yeah, right. I don't think we're that coordinated. Here we go, everybody. Mama! Oh.
Don't Stop Believin' by Journey. Here we go.
Uh-oh. You gotta put your heart into it. You gotta put your 80s into it.
Just a city boy, owning around in South Detroit. I sing them in the Strunkey room. I smell wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on.
Sweet Caroline by Neil Diamond.
Touching you, sweet Caroline.
Never seemed so good, so good, so good, so good. Sweet
Caroline.
Or Africa.
No!
No!
This one's for Hugh.
Just for you.
Just for Hugh. His favorite Toto song.
When we went, he was like, Ben, I expect you to be the only one booing during Africa.
Oh, yes.
I kiss the rain down in Africa.
Jacob's into it. Yes.
I get to say,
Oh yeah, Eleanor knows these words.
Oh, go Eleanor. It's all you, girl. That's a crazy ring. That's Prince raining down on it.
Yeah, before we were playing Purple Rain.
Yeah, Purple Rain. Or I Love a Rainy Night.
As we come down this mountain and come around, I don't need to I got the bottom row and the bottom. Not the right colors, according to Rubik's, but I still did it. Hi, baby. Can you not look out the windows and just be a good boy?
Nope.
No, all of those balconies are so pretty with the flowers. Fancy going on there. Because the girls were high-end with the dogs too. Oh.
Look at that.
Oh no, George is a high-end dog. He just doesn't act the part.
I call to the mountain, sitting across the bay. Morning comes
God, this is
That's the lake we can see from our.
freaking gorgeous.
I take the stillness as a sign to write a song. About things we've done,
This is our house.
still to come.
Oh, it's so cute.
So we gotta make sure. Oh, I don't really see the
Yeah, we're in the back.
All the way up.
Flowers
But anyway.
But anyway.
Mom's like, if I go up at 20 miles an hour,
Oh my God.
scream, rip the
Oh,
bed.
there's the gate. So-
for hours about the places we have gone and things we've done. Things still to come.
Is this deck rock go all the way around?
At least
Well, I don't think we're doing our little hike quite yet. We're gonna wait till this rain blows out of here. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful area. Can't wait to explore it some more. There's lakes everywhere, a lot of change in elevation. Very excited about being here with my family for the week before they start fall semester. So stay tuned, more adventures to come. Very well groomed trail to Sunset Rock.
Trying to tire out George.
Watch your ankles. Oh my God. Wow. Dude, we might actually see a sunset, right?
We got 40 minutes, but
Well, I mean, wait for a little bit.
yeah. We get a video. You know.
Wow.
George and I just got done hiking to the top of Ravenel Rock. That's where sunrise and sunset trails are here in Highlands, North Carolina. Beautiful views of the Smoky Mountains up there. So got some video, got some shots. We'll see how they all turn out. But headed home, get the family up so we can go on to the next adventure.
Here goes. Hey, good doggy.
Again, go check out some waterfalls. Have everybody with us, including George. So, according to all trails, these are some hard hikes, so we'll see what they look like. This is Highway 64. The entire road is just hairpin turns the entire way. Fun road to have the zoom or motorcycle on. We gotta go over this guardrail and down this. We're gonna see if there's kind of a path. It's gonna be harder going downhill than uphill. If you have to get dirty and you have to use your hands, that's what we have to do. How was it?
It was good. It was fun.
Yeah, it was
awesome.
fun.
It's really pretty.
What do you think, Jacob?
It was fun.
It was fun. Very strenuous. Like there was you're just taking rock steps basically all the way down, but it was cool to go all the way down the bottom. We had the waterfall to ourselves. So very cool. First one here at the Highlands. We're gonna go hit Quarry Falls next. All right. All right, so that was the second falls of the trip, Quarry Falls. That's just, you park alongside the river here and short hike, but yeah, pretty neat. Lots of rocks. I think it'd be better without. Funner? Is that a word? I think it.
No.
I think it would be more fun without George and so much camera gear. So we're gonna head on to the next adventure. So I'm gonna keep track of how many adventures are free and how much, which adventures cost anything. But so far I've done 3 adventures. We did the Sunset Trail hike up Ravenel Rock last night, absolutely free. We went to Cullasaja Falls, absolutely free, off 64. We just did Quarry Falls, absolutely free. So keeping with my philosophy, the best things in life are free. But
tall pines and fall lines, and glad that we are home. Time with you, I'll never outgrow.
walking. Raining?
'Cause it's high time.
You know what? He remembers who you are. Pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Huh? You really remember driving everywhere.
Do you think you're, I mean,
What is that, Jacob?
Walk.
I did. And he was like
There's the sun. Yes. Now I get a treat. Want one
the good thing, George, is that you don't have to go back to when Dad brings home.
All right, so Kelly and I, another evening. Sun's much brighter,
As
much
you can
less.
tell by my squid thing.
Yes. So out here at Ravenel Rock, Sunset Rock, got some time lapse going. Going to get some pictures. Obviously, this phenomenal vlog that's going to get tens, if not dozens, of views. So anyway, Benjamin and Eleanor, they took George back, and they'll be joining us shortly. So hope you enjoy the content. All right. Today we gotta drive and go see my brother. We're gonna go meet middle ground. He's in LJ vacation and we're here in Highlands, but we're driving to Hiawassee, Georgia. And we're gonna meet up. Should be a good day. Check out this lake across the street from where we're vacationing. Check out the homes. So check out this cool retail store in Highlands. Love it. Sells outdoor gear. It's called the Highlands Hiker. It's actually a old log cabin that they converted. How cool is that? So check this out. That's cool. Got the North Carolina flag, the Great Britain flag, and the American flag.
Very cool.
So Highlands has the coolest little shops. We walked downtown yesterday and it's not Chomsky stuff, it's a lot of outdoor hiking stuff, and a lot of rustic antiques, very, very unique stores. Very cool place to come visit. Need to come check it out. So I love making videos and I love walking my dog, but I don't love making videos and walking my dog. All right, just having a good little walk through downtown Highlands. Gonna walk past this place we went to yesterday. It's called the Ugly Dog Public House. Great burgers, great beer, great vibe in there. But I'm gonna check more of the outside before everybody wakes up.
So this is our house, our Airbnb. We got some visitors this morning. Another windy mountain road, but we're headed off to go spend the day with my brother and his wife Tammy.
Okay, all right, okay, you guys?
Yeah, they're excited.
Yeah,
Too far? That's a haul?
I guess. I don't know.
Okay.
It's like a single track, little short loop, goes down by the water.
Keep going. Keep going.
Ooh, look at the lake over there.
Wow.
Pretty. So when were you guys here?
What is it? March when we went to,
This year?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
yeah, we had that,
This whole town is nothing but lakes. It's cool.
Oh, wow.
No.
Where's it scouting?
Just so strong and he sees something. God forbid you see a squirrel, you're on the run. Or you gotta let him go.
pretty well camouflaged. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. That's a big one there near Charlotte. Yeah, that's got some nice. I didn't bring it to Boston Park.
Street tacos, ground beef,
Street tacos. What kind?
chicken burrito.
It's on it.
It's epic.
I had 2 tacos, pork and beef burrito.
Doing a little 2-mile hike around the lake here, around this little peninsula. A beautiful day. It's fun to sneak down here and spend some time with them on our vacation. Good times. Zooms. Probably, yeah, that would be too. Man, Mike's got it on camera too, dang it.
Alright, you can go.
Come on.
Pack my bag and you're running. Got your map to show the way. Dust is high, wind is coming. Gonna ride away. Wide horizon, slowly waking. Mountain setting. Fire to sky, one more chance. Gonna take
Porterhouse.
ain't afraid to try.
Huh?
King's gonna hold me. Let the road begin.
It's real good, man. It's real good.
Miles go by, wheels are rolling.
He's out.
Highway singing, soft and low. Can't turn back, the past is calling. Time to let it go.
Stop whining.
There's
There's a line. Stop whining.
Oh yeah, pretty good.
Yeah.
And her ugly dog glasses.
Sour cream for their steak.
Sour cream. Yeah,
What?
butter. Oh.
I'm gonna go back inside, guys.
Haven't broke out my macro lens this whole trip, so as we're hiking up to the Ravenel Rock to see the sunset again, I decided to take my macro lens and try to get some shots. A lot of fun playing with this thing. So let's see how these all turn out, but onward and upward. So here's my adventure crew tonight for the time lapse. We have Eleanor. She's very focused on the sunset. And then we got Kelly, Benjamin, and Jorge, which is always ready for an adventure. But this is what we're checking out here. Should be ready tonight.
What is that noise? There's always screaming about the black bear.
It's probably some sort of bird. What is it, Dan?
No, I think it's a
It's a horse.
bear.
Mhm. It's getting higher and higher.
the sunset tonight was beautiful. Glad to share this with Kelly, Benjamin, and Eleanor. Just heard a screeching owl, but it's so small, so dark, so I didn't get any shots of him, but I definitely got lots of shots. Time lapse of this amazing sunset tonight here at Ravenel Rock. A lot of people out here hanging out. George and I are off for our little adventure this morning. We're gonna go to the Will Henry Stevens covered bridge and then get back. Family will probably be awake by then. This is what has George excited this morning. My little goose dog over here. So today I'm gonna try to focus on photography more. Hopefully get some great shots. Hope you enjoy. Well, we made it to the covered bridge. It's right on the front of the Bascom Art Center, so really cool shots. Got some some photography, and the way the sun's coming over the horizon. Hopefully these shots turn out good. But gonna go check out some more. All right. Get over here. Hey, George, get over here. First little hike of the day, we're going to Glen Falls. It is a 2.8 out and back. Reading the reviews, it's downhill, 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 and then uphill, but I think it's pretty gradual. 797 foot elevation gain. Should take us about 2 hours, but we've got everybody with us, got the dog with us, so we're gonna go check this out. We're staying this morning, and maybe check out another one this afternoon. How's the view over here? George has wind? Here's my little red mushroom. Right there. All right, so we just finished the Glen Falls Trail. Several overlooks. It's not one waterfall. There's different sections of the waterfall. Benjamin, Kelly, and I hiked all the way down to the bottom, which was very, very steep, and went all the way down there. And usually the more effort you put into it, the more you get out of it, but there was nothing down there but 2 picnic tables. So, but yeah, good hike. A lot of steps. They're doing some trail maintenance and doing a really good job of maintaining that trail, but down, all the way to the, wherever you want to stop, several overlooks, and it's just hike your way out. But good little adventure, good workout. We're off to the next one. What you guys, you like it? Who liked it?
I liked it.
It was good.
It was good? It was good?
Waterfalls are beautiful.
Waterfalls are beautiful. Tired out our dog. Now headed to Secret Falls Trail. I guess this used to be a local falls that not a lot of people knew about. So that's a short hike, just a 1.4 mile little hike, 269 foot gain. So just trying to cram this in. Didn't know
It
about
was
that.
a flat one.
Yeah, that's flat for around here. But anyway, got everybody with us except we gave George a break. Didn't know how many people were going to be here, and he's had a few adventures already this morning, so he's at home resting. But here's what we're looking at with all trails, and it's just a quick 15-minute car ride from our little place. So. Checking out Secret Falls with the family. It's beautiful here. We're the only ones here. But nice little hike. Just 0.7 miles down here. A lot of downhill, so we got to climb a lot of steps coming back. But it's beautiful out here this afternoon. All right, just got done with Secret Falls. Yes.
It's supposed to be easy.
Huh?
It's supposed to be really easy.
It's supposed to be really easy, but I think we're
It's
just
moderate.
such high. Yeah, it was moderate.
We're such high achievers.
Yeah, we're so out of shape. But anyway, on a scale of 10, what do you rate that? Jacob, what do you think of that waterfall compared to the others? Out of 10.
7.
7? How about Eleanor?
I'll say 9.
9. Benjamin?
Yeah, 9 because we got to see some salamanders.
That
Ooh,
too. I found them.
Some underwater sound.
I was gonna say 8, but I'm gonna say 9 because there was no one there.
Yeah.
That was the best part.
Yeah.
So,
I'm
it
gonna
was
do.
late in the day though, so
I'm gonna do a 9 too. It would have been a 10 if we would have brought our dog. But we didn't bring our dog. We should have, because there's a good swimming hole. And we'd have wore. Well, we would have wore a little bit of his Labrador out of him. But anyway, gotta turn the car on because people want air conditioning on. All right.
got it, Jacob.
Him out.
So George and I have just walked over here to Ravenel Lake. We're gonna take a walk around the lake and see if we have a good little morning adventure with some pictures. Got my macro lens. That's a fun new little hobby. But we'll see what turns out. All right, take care. All right, so off for our family adventure. Last day here in the Highlands, North Carolina, but we are driving to Whiteside Mountain Trail. According to All Trails, it's a 2-mile length, 495 feet of elevation gain. We have everybody except for Scooty, unfortunately. But here's what we're gonna do. So a short little drive there. Go do a little
Hopefully
mountain
see
climb.
some peregrine falcons.
Yes, the search is for the peregrine falcons. So wish us luck with that. All right.
Straight up. Did you not see all those red lines down there?
Oh,
when we were
wow.
looking at that cliffs? No. Yeah, those were the.
You see any
climb
climbers?
lines.
What's it saying? Say mountains.
Enjoy the view, yeah. Look at the view.
Ooh, we're so high up, aren't we, Georgie? Can you see a view, Georgie? Oh, the Georgies.
finishing up Whiteside Mountain Trail, a little over 2 miles, 525 feet of climbing. We're almost done, but what do you guys think?
Good.
Good views. Good. Yeah, a lot of overlooks.
Views were amazing.
Breezy out here, feels good. Good little adventure. On to the next one.
We're at Dry Falls.
Dry Falls. It doesn't look too dry to me, but
Doesn't look too dry, but this is probably the most accessible hike we've had. Probably 100 feet out.
All right, so we just finished the very Disneyland hike down to Dry Falls. Very cool, lots of people here, but 0.2 mile walk. You can walk underneath the falls. Some pretty good vantage points. On a scale of 10, what would you rank this one, Jacob?
10.
10. Eleanor?
I'll say 8.
8. Ooh, Benjamin?
7.
Mama?
7.5. An 8.
I'd give it a 6 because you didn't have to put any effort into it.
That's why I docked some points.
Yes, dock some points.
You gotta earn it.
You gotta earn it. Most other waterfalls we had to earn to get to the view. So,
But I will say, I thought there was, and maybe we were just lucky because there was more flow today, but it was a lot bigger than anything I saw on any videos before. So that's why I gave it a little higher rating than I would have.
got it. How many points did you raise it because George isn't here?
Jacob raised it 3
5.
points.
Yes, I'm thinking it's probably 2 points higher. So I would have been a 4. No, I'd give it more points if George was here. Anyway, off to the next adventure. All right, bye. So it's our last night of family vacation, last night in the Highlands, last sunset. So waiting for the rest of the family to come join me. But check this out. Hey, Chuck.
Is that your dad?
Do you see people? Yeah. All right, so our Highlands, North Carolina summer vacation has almost come to a close. We are leaving Highlands now and headed home. Eleanor, what do you really enjoy about this vacation?
I like the hiking. Like, I don't really get much of that back in Raleigh.
Okay.
Just in general.
Any particular hike you really liked?
I like that first one.
The very first one?
Yeah.
The Cullasaja.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that was very technical, very steep. Okay, cool. Jacob, what do you like about vacation?
Waterfalls.
You liked all the waterfalls? Saw quite a few, didn't we? Which waterfall was your favorite?
Oh, really?
Okay. Yep. Cullasaja Falls. All right, Benjamin. Vacation. What do you like the best?
The cooler weather
Absolutely.
and a surprise visit with Uncle Ken and Aunt Tammy.
Yes. Yeah. Good thoughts. Kel.
Yeah, I enjoyed all the hiking with the exercise. My body hopefully will recover all my achy muscles. But I think Secret Falls was my favorite waterfall. But I really enjoyed Whiteside Mountain too.
Yeah, I
We did that hike also. It was the only non-waterfall hike we did, but it was worth it for some of those views.
Cool.
And I loved all the just time that we had together as a family. I know that's limiting.
Yep.
Years to come.
Yes. So yeah, I enjoyed our Airbnb. It's a perfect size. I loved how close we were to town. So, I loved walking to go see the sunsets, and we went to go see it every night except for one. I liked the cooler weather, as Benjamin said. All the hiking to all the waterfalls. It's cool to hike, and you have a destination to go to. Gives you motivation to do it. Good to spend time with everybody. Want to come back because this Road 64 that we're on right now, I want to either take motorcycles or I zoom on because this road is incredible. But anyway, any other thoughts? I'm glad George was able to participate in most of the activity.
Come with us.
Yes.
And do the hiking.
Yep. Any other closing thoughts?
We miss seeing Jerry and Donna.
Yep, we didn't get to see Jerry and Donna. They're in Iceland seeing the solar eclipse. Missed them in Franklin. But all right, signing out.